Hello and welcome to the 6th episode of NSB TV, where we bring you all the exciting news and updates from NSB Bangalore. I am Ashi, student of MBA cohort 2024, and in this episode we brought you the latest updates from our vibrant campus. From exciting events to student achievements, we have a lot to cover, so let's get started. We kicked off this academic year by welcoming the new batch of students for 2024-26. Over 4 eventful days, the campus was alive with excitement as freshers, along with their proud parents, completed their induction. It was heartening to see students getting familiar with the campus, meeting their seniors and faculty, and sharing their reasons for choosing NSB. The energy was truly infectious. Next up, one of the most vibrant events on campus, Ethnic Day 2024. The entire campus was transformed into the tapestry of colors, celebrating the diversity of India. Students showcased traditional outfits from various states, and the day was filled with full performances, cultural dances, and deep sense of unity. It was an amazing celebration of our rich heritage. We also had the beautiful celebration of Onam, where students crafted intricate folklore and came together for the grand festive feast. It was a day filled with joy, tradition, and culture, making it an unforgettable experience for everyone involved. At NSB, learning goes beyond the classroom. Our students recently participated in industrial visit to VRL Logistics, Retail India and Oriental Tiles. This visit gave them hands-on exposure to real-world business operations, deepening their understanding to industry practices. Experiences like this what makes NSB's education more practical and impactful. Our PGDM students also had the chance to expand their global perspective through MIM International Immersion Program. They explored 3 countries, Malaysia, Indonesia and Singapore, engaging with international business leaders and peers. These experiences not only enhanced their academic learning, but also prepared them for future global challenges. On the student club front, the marketing club recently held a pitch competition where teams came up with creative marketing campaigns for the new pizza concept. Meanwhile, the Yukti HR Club organized a case study visualization event that challenged participants to solve the real-world HR issues. Both events were a great success, showcasing the innovative and analytical talent of our students. And of course, our Ganesh Chaturthi celebration added a divine touch to our campus life. The vibrant decorations, soulful chants, and cultural performances made the day memorable tribute to Lord Ganesha. It was a perfect blend of faith, culture, and community spirit. One of the academic highlights this month was the International Conference on Sustainable Practice in Rapidly Challenging Business Scenarios. We had over 200 participants and some incredible speakers from the industry who shared valuable insights on sustainability and business innovation. The event was a huge success, further strengthening the bond between our student, faculty, and industrial experts. That wraps up the episode of NSB TV. We are so proud of everything happening at NSB, from academic achievements to cultural celebration. Stay tuned for more updates. Next month, we will continue to share the incredible experience that makes NSB Bangalore a place of learning, fun, and growth. Until next time, I am Ashi signing off.